What's up, Facebook? Happy Friday. Just announcing the winner here of the Legendary Leads Snapback. So if you saw the contest earlier this week and you actually entered, all you had to do was guess how many friends I'd have at the end of the 3-day leads challenge. I started with around 3,370 friends. At the end of the challenge right now, which I can share my screen so you guys can see here, I ended up at 3,458. So that's about 80 or 90 new friends. And all I did for this was actually set up a Chrome extension that runs in the background for me while I'm doing other things. So what this does is actually adds my ideal connections. Based on these keywords that I enter, I'll go into a group where my ideal audience is hanging out and send some friend requests. Hopefully they'll come back to my page, connect with me, and we can add some value to each other in one way or another. What I want to do is actually go to the comments right now of that first contest post and see who's going to get a free snapback. Whoever had the closest guess in this comments thread is going to win. So let's see what we got here. 49.56. That would have been quite a feat if I was able to do that without getting my Facebook account shut down. 4,200, 2,000. So my mom actually thought a bunch of people were going to unfriend me over this 3-day Facebook leads challenge. She thought like 1,300 people were going to unfriend me. So unfortunately, that's not correct, but you can still buy a hat if you want one, Mom. I'll even give it to you at cost because you get that family discount. Mark McQueen, 3,500. As soon as I saw that guess come through, I was like, that's a pretty good guess. And I think he might have hit it the closest. So we'll double check here. William Taylor, who should be jumping on the call today, coming up in about 5 minutes. If you want to jump on the software partnership call, let me know. He guessed 5,000. Again, that would have been awesome if I could do that, but Facebook probably would have hit me with the ban hammer like Thor. Veronica, 3,700. Simon, 3,806. Ramon said 135. If he was guessing how many new friends I would get, I think he was actually pretty close. So that would have been within 40 or so. But I think I did ask how many total friends I would have. So I'm going to have to give it up to Mark. And I actually jumped on a call with Mark. He's an awesome dude, successful entrepreneur who actually just joined the partnership as well. So I'm pretty happy he actually won this. I'm going to hook up with him, get him his snapback, and I'll probably send him a little individual personalized note with that as well. If you guys want to get your own snapback, I'll have those for sale here at the Legendary Leads merch shop. If you work with me in the future as well, I'm going to hook my clients up with some swag, of course, to promote the brand. So looking forward to growing this new brand and working with you guys and helping you grow your business. So with that being said, congratulations, Mark. I'll be connecting with you to get you this new snapback. If you guys are interested in jumping in our partnership meeting for today, we have this every Friday at 3 p.m. But today, we're actually inviting the public in. All you have to do is drop a comment. I'm going to jump off here and jump into that meeting. But if I sent you an invite link, you can just click on that and join the Zoom room. Or I'll be checking my comments as well. So if anyone's interested, they usually go for an hour or so, but depends on what we're talking about. Sometimes they could run 3 hours. But if you want to see behind the scenes of a software company and jump in a room with 40, 50 entrepreneurs who are doing online business and helping people grow their business online. I would love to have you on that meeting. So with that being said, appreciate you guys for jumping in, taking some guesses at the challenge. I added around 90 leads automatically using software, and I'll be following up with the people who actually texted me demo over this next week or so. We'll probably do another 3-day leads challenge just like this one, and I'll show you more behind the scenes of how all the software works. So if you're interested in joining the next 3-day lead challenge, what I want you to do is text demo to 319-250-6868. That's going to get you in my VIP text club. You'll get an automated text message from me and an automated call, and I'll be sure to follow up with you after this week. Next week sometime, I do have some calls booked on my calendar. If you want to chat about the stuff we have going on or getting some lead generation done for your company, I can just shoot you a link to my calendar, or you can call this number and set up a meeting, request a calendar link automatically, and it will automatically be texted to you. So with that being said, hope to see you guys on the partnership meeting today, and we'll check you on the next 3-day leads challenge.
So the marketing to me, I've known for years, in building systems and stuff like that. When I seen what you were doing, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna link with this guy because I can kind of trust his vision a little bit. And
Yeah.
I can already tell that you're one of those people who's kind of like a jack of all trades, but you're unusually good at a lot of them. So I said, I got to get to know this guy real quick. I like what he's doing. That means I don't have to go do it, and this is awesome. So